Hi everyone, hope you are all well. This is just a quick wee video to talk over a couple of things, wee end of the week video. This week was the start of your National 5 courses, and your first job was to get signed up to all of the Schoology courses. I hope you managed to do that. If not, please make sure that you are doing that as soon as possible, because that's been a few days now of the actual courses. I think most people are pretty much there, and some people have actually signed up for too many. If you accidentally signed up for a Schoology course, just let your teacher know and they will unenroll you from that course, and you'll stop seeing the updates from that subject. In terms of next week, we are off, well, we're off tomorrow, Friday, and we are off on Monday. So enjoy your long weekend. Don't be doing too much work. This video is also going to take you through what will be happening next week. We're moving on to the next step of your online learning, which will involve live clinics, which will involve you having access to a teacher, and other members of the class will be there too. So the next few slides, I'm going to start introducing how you're going to get access to this and what it can offer you. Okay, so in order to get started with the online clinics, you're going to need something, a piece of software which is called Microsoft Teams. Now, if you're using a laptop, you can just go to the website, even just office.com, and you can download it from there, and you can start using it on your laptop. If you're using an iPad, then similarly, go to the App Store and search for Teams, and you will see it. The icon is above here, so you'll know what you are looking for. Now, once you have the Microsoft Teams application installed on a device, you can then get logged in. Now, you must use your school email address because we've set up access for you to be able to use Teams. This is the first letter of your first name, then your second name, then your number. You will probably know all of this. The number, I think, for you guys is 23 or around about then, at stalls.org.uk. Okay, your password is the same password as you would use to get onto a computer in school. Okay, if you can't remember that or it's not working, get in touch with the email address which is underneath here, which is jewart, so JEWART at staloysius.org, and he will reset your password for you. Once you're logged into Teams, you then need to sign up for the classes that you have taken. Kind of similar to Schoology, but in a different format. All of these codes are posted, and you can see below there is an example of some of the codes. All the other codes are in the document which is posted up onto Schoology. In order to find this, in order to sign up for a new course, just go up to the top right hand corner of Teams, and there should be a join or create team. Just go to join, then use your code, and then that will be you added to that particular course. These instructions and these codes have also been posted to parents and carers, so just ask them and they should have a copy of these too. Okay, so you have downloaded Teams, you have managed to log in, and you have added your codes for the courses of each team that you have picked, okay, or each course that you have picked. So what now? Well, as from Tuesday, you will have access to the live clinics. Before you connect to those, you might want to think about the rules. Now, we've posted our kind of guidance up on Schoology, and you can see it on this page here about being prepared, keeping yourself safe, and showing respect. So I would ask you to read through these just to make sure you understand before joining one of these clinics. The same rules basically apply for if you were in a normal classroom in terms of respect, and I'm confident that everybody does not need to be reminded of any of school rules. Okay, so that's basically that. Make sure you have a look at that document before joining a clinic. Obviously, there are set times that these clinics will run, and you can see from this timetable, this is when all of the clinics are available. So from Monday 10:15 geography, and that's until 11 o'clock, and then again if you've chosen Spanish, you would go along to the 11:15 clinic on a Monday. Okay, so find the subjects in that timetable that you have chosen for National 5, and these are the clinics that are available for you, and these are the times that you would have them. Some of you might have more than one, you might have a few on one day and none on another day, but we've tried to create this timetable so that it's fairly balanced throughout the week. Okay, so clinics are optional. It's not mandatory to turn up to these clinics, but you might want to come along to each one of them. When we've done this with hire and advanced hire,
give me 5 minutes, I'll
we've had a cohort who have turned up to all of them, and some people who might watch a kind of recording from afterwards. These are all recorded and posted onto the Teams app afterwards, so if you missed one, then you can have a look at that afterwards. If you are looking to join one, so say you've got a clinic at 10:30, maybe go onto Teams before 10:30, go into your calendar, and you can see on the image here, click on calendar and you'll see that there has been a meeting posted on there. Okay, click in there, join, and then you will join the live clinic. Again, how do you get the most out of this? This is to go over past work or new theory. It's a chance to ask questions to your teacher. It's a chance to hear other people's questions that might help you out as well. Remember, you don't need to have your camera on. This is completely optional. And teachers will probably mute all the microphones if the meeting is busy. You can unmute your mic if you're answering a question, or a teacher might unmute you if they were to be asking a question to you. And there is a button to raise your hand rather than everybody shouting out. You can raise your hand as well if you want to get the teacher's attention or if you want to ask a question. I should note here as well that English and Maths will be in touch through Schoology to ask you to either join A or B when it comes to the teams, and RMTS will conduct sessions for each form class, and instructions again will be issued on the Schoology. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch. Like I said, this is the next step in your online learning. Okay, and I think this is going to be really beneficial to you and your subjects at National 5. Okay, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you next week.